Rising above the gardens of Frederiksberg in the heart of Copenhagen, Frederiksberg Palace is one of Denmark's finest Baroque royal residences. Surrounded by expansive parkland and overlooking the Danish capital, the palace reflects the grandeur of the Danish monarchy during the 18th century. Construction began in the late 17th century under King Frederick IV, who commissioned the palace after being inspired by the great royal residences he had seen during his travels in Italy and France. The result was a magnificent hilltop palace, unlike anything previously built in Denmark. Designed in the Italian Baroque style, Frederiksberg Palace became a favourite residence of Danish kings and queens. Lavish interiors, formal gardens, and sweeping views over Copenhagen made it both a royal retreat and an important centre of court life. The palace is perhaps best remembered as the final home of King Frederick VI, who spent his last years here and died within the palace in 1839. His death marked the end of Frederiksberg Palace's role as a regular royal residence, as the Danish monarchy gradually shifted its attention to other palaces in Copenhagen. Within the palace grounds today are several notable landmarks, including the Royal Danish Defence College, which occupies the historic palace, the renowned Copenhagen Zoo beside the gardens, and the monument to King Frederick VI, commemorating the monarch whose reign left a lasting mark on Denmark. Together, they make the Frederiksberg estate one of Copenhagen's richest historic and cultural landscapes.